Point, Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan is speaking on the late former PM Dr. Manmohan Singh and stated that an era of economic reforms has ended with the passing away of Dr. Manmohan Singh. He added that the economic reforms he brought gave us a new speed and direction to the country. Let's now listen in.
अर्थशास्त्र के उद्भट विद्वान, आर्थिक सुधारों के महानायक श्री मनमोहन जी मौन हो गए। उनके जाने से आर्थिक सुधारों के एक युग का अंत हो गया। उनके आर्थिक सुधारों ने देश के विकास को नई दिशा और गति दी थी। सहज, सरल, सौम्य, शिष्ट मनमोहन जी को मेरा प्रणाम। भगवान दिवंगत आत्मा को शांति दें और उनके परिजनों को और संपूर्ण देश को ये गहन दुख सहन करने की क्षमता दें, यही प्रार्थना है।
My colleague Mehndi has joined me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, now in fact Shivraj Singh Chauhan, Union Minister, has also given the statement. He has reacted on the passing away of former PM. Is saying that in fact the era of the legacy of the economic reforms has ended.
Well, indeed, Simran, various political reactions are coming from the yesterday only when the news came that the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has left the world and his demise has been taken place. And yes, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Union Minister, has given a statement saying that it is the end of an era, and the contribution that Manmohan Singh had in redeveloping and reshaping the economic reforms is very great. And yes, he mentioned that how it is an end of an era, and he also paid his tributes and showed his condolences and said that Om Shanti to his families also, and paid tributes after this saddening demise that has happened. And apart from Shivraj Singh Chauhan, also all the political leaders, whether it's the Congress senior leaders, whether it's the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders, all are giving their reviews and giving their statements, paying tributes and condolences for this saddening news. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us while we also get more updates. BJP MP Naveen Jindal has also spoken on the demise of former PM Dr. Manmohan Singh, stating that Dr. Manmohan Singh was always a silent doer. He believed in doing works without making any noise. He added that in the year 1991, when he was the finance minister, he played a key role in strengthening the country. He ended the license quota and permit Raj. He used to take everyone along. Let's now listen in.
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी हमारे 10 वर्ष हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री रहे और वो हमेशा एक साइलेंट डूअर, यानी कि बिना किसी शोर शराबे के वो काम करने में विश्वास रखते थे। और उन्होंने 1991 में जब वो देश के वित्त मंत्री थे तो उन्होंने एक अहम भूमिका निभाई। देश को मजबूत करने के लिए उन्होंने लाइसेंस कोटा परमिट राज को ख़त्म किया, जिससे देश बहुत हमारा आगे बढ़ा। और उसके बाद जब वो प्रधानमंत्री बने तो उन्होंने शिक्षा का अधिकार, राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन, सूचना का अधिकार, और उसके बाद फूड सिक्योरिटी एक्ट जैसे और न्यूक्लियर डील, ये सभी इस तरह के बहुत से महत्वपूर्ण उन्होंने निर्णय लिए और वो हमेशा सबको साथ लेके चलते थे।
Mehndi joins me back on the broadcast. Mehndi, now in the latest, we have heard Naveen Jindal speaking on the demise and the passing away of Dr. Manmohan Singh, and also there are these particular landmark changes that have been brought only because it was his intention to in fact uproot the corruption that was underway, and one being the Quota Raj that is being talked by also Naveen Jindal at this point of time, when he in fact also mentioned that he ended the license Quota Raj was a peculiar moment in tracing the history of India with in fact many crucial economic reforms.
Well, indeed, Simran, we heard Naveen Jindal's statement regarding the demise of the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, and he mentioned that how Manmohan Singh was always a silent doer, and he, did a lot for this country, and he appreciated whatever Manmohan Singh has done, whether when he was the finance minister of the country, whether when he was, the prime minister of the country, and he mentioned some specific changes and reforms we can say that Manmohan Singh had done in his era, in his in his term. And talking about that, he mentioned that how he came up with the right to information, with the right to education. So he gave that credit to Manmohan Singh also. And apart from that, he also mentioned that how Manmohan Singh, while being the prime minister, has also ended the license quota Raj. So yes, all the things that Manmohan Singh had done while being the finance minister of the country, while being the prime minister of the country, all the BJP leaders, all the senior leaders, Congress leaders are appreciating all those reforms, and people are saying, apart from specifying the specific things that Manmohan Singh had done in his tenure, but appreciating him as a person altogether. So yes, various statements are being coming right now, as of now.